Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Biology MCQ series of NEET Buddy, where we are providing you with daily biology MCQs from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, and the topic for today's MCQs is what you're seeing on screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Gills are not a respiratory organ in option A. Molluscs, option B. Fishes, option C. Reptiles, or option D. Aquatic arthropods. Gills are not a respiratory organ in. The correct answer is option C, that is reptiles. In reptiles, the respiratory organ is lungs, not gills. Question 2. Trachea divides into left and right primary bronchi at the level of option A. T5, option B. T4, option C. T6, or option D. T3. Trachea divides into left and the right primary bronchi at the level of. The correct answer is option A. It divides at the level of T5. What does T5 means? It means fifth thoracic vertebrae. At the level of fifth thoracic vertebrae, the trachea divides into left and right primary bronchi. Question 3. Which of the following is not supported by cartilaginous ring? Which of the following is not supported by cartilaginous rings? Option A. Primary bronchi, option B. Secondary bronchi, option C. Initial bronchioles, or option D. Terminal bronchioles. Which of the following is not supported by cartilaginous rings? The correct answer is option D. The terminal bronchioles, which leads to alveoli, are not supported by cartilaginous rings. Rest, all three are supported by cartilaginous rings. Question 4. Conducting part constitute external nostril up to terminal bronchioles, external nostrils up to initial bronchioles, external nostrils up to tertiary bronchioles, or external nostrils up to alveoli. Conducting part constitutes which of the following things? The correct answer is option A, that is conducting part constitutes from external nostril up to terminal bronchioles. Question 5. Which of the following is incorrect about the wall of thoracic chamber? Of the four statements, one is incorrect about the wall of thoracic chamber. Option A. Dorsally made by sternum, option B. Ventrally made by sternum, option C. Laterally made by ribs, option D. Lower side by diaphragm. So these are the walls of thoracic chamber. You have to tell which one is incorrect. The answer is option A. Dorsally made by sternum. It's incorrect. Dorsally, the thoracic chamber is made by vertebral column. Question 6. The correct value of tidal volume in ml per minute is 6000 to 8000, 8000 to 10,000, 500 to 600, 5000 to 6000. Correct value of tidal volume in ml per minute is. The correct answer is option A, 6000 to 8000. 500 ml is the tidal volume per breath. 6000 to 8000 is tidal volume in 1 minute. Question 7. Contraction of which of the following muscles result in expiration? Option A. Diaphragm, option B. External intercostal, option C. Internal intercostal, or option D. None of these. Contraction of which of the following muscles results in expiration? The correct answer is option D, that is none of these. Expiration is a passive process. No muscle is required for expiration. Question 8. Which of the following is accessory muscle of respiration? Option A. Diaphragm, option B. Sternocleidomastoid, option C. External intercostal muscles, option D. Internal intercostal muscles. Which of the following is accessory muscle of respiration? The correct answer is option B. Sternocleidomastoid is the accessory muscle of respiration which is used in forced inspiration. Question 9. PO2, that is partial pressure of oxygen in oxygenated blood, is option A 95 millimeter of Hg, option B 40 millimeter of Hg, option C 45 millimeter of Hg, or option D 104 millimeter of Hg. Partial pressure of oxygen in oxygenated blood is. The correct answer is option A. 95 millimeter of mercury is the partial pressure of oxygen in oxygenated bloods. Question 10. Major cause of emphysema is option A. Smoked food, option B. Coal dust, option C. Cigarette smoke, or option D. Alcohol. Major cause of emphysema is. What is emphysema? It is a lung disease in which the alveolar walls get damaged, which result in reduced surface area for exchange of gases. Which of the following four causes is the major cause of emphysema? The correct answer is option C, cigarette smoking. Question number 11. The epithelial tissue present on the inner surface of bronchioles and fallopian tubes is glandular, ciliated, squamous, cuboidal. Epithelial tissue on the inner surface of bronchioles and fallopian tube is. The correct answer is option B, that is ciliated. Question number 12. What is another name of windpipe? Trachea, larynx, esophagus, lungs. Another name for windpipe. The correct answer is option A, trachea. Question number 13. The effect of cigarette smoking and radon in combination on lungs is fatal, synergistic, mutualistic, or antagonistic. Effect of cigarette smoking and radon in combination on lungs is. The correct answer is option B. They are synergistic in action. Question number 14. What is true about RBCs in humans? They carry about 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide. They transport 99.5% of oxygen. They transport about 80% of oxygen only, and rest 20% of it is transported in dissolved state in blood plasma. They do not carry carbon dioxide at all. True about RBC in humans. The correct answer is option A. They carry about 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide. Question number 15. The hemoglobin of human fetus. Option A has higher affinity for oxygen than an adult, has lower affinity for oxygen than an adult, its affinity for oxygen is same as that of an adult, has only 2 protein subunits instead of 4. Hemoglobin in human fetus. The correct answer is option A, that is it has a higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult, and it makes sense because it needs to derive oxygen from mother's hemoglobin, right? So if the fetal hemoglobin has higher affinity, it would be able to extract the oxygen out of the maternal hemoglobin. However, if adult hemoglobin had higher affinity, even if the fetal hemoglobin tried to extract that oxygen out, the maternal hemoglobin would leave that oxygen, right? So the option A is correct. Fetal hemoglobin has higher affinity for oxygen than an adult hemoglobin. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Do read that chapter up, and if you found this helpful, do share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you are new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.